Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making egg fried rice. Let's get right to it. To start, in a medium bowl, add the cooked white rice. Then separate egg whites from egg yolks. Add egg yolks to rice and mix until every grain of rice is well coated. There should be no lumps or chunks of rice. Separate scallion whites and grains and mince both. Then dice cucumber and loose carrot. Also slice Chinese sausages. In a pan with medium-high heat, add sausage and stir until color changes. Dish out and set aside. Keep the oil from the sausage and add egg whites. Push it around to cook thoroughly, then break the scrambled egg into small pieces. Dish out and set aside. Add cooking oil and swirl it around the perimeter of the pan. Add scallion white and stir until fragrant. Then add cucumber and carrot dices and stir until cooked. Add salt and soy sauce and stir fully. Add the rice and stir fry continuously for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the rice grains are dry and start to pop around in the pan, add sausages and egg whites. Finally, stir in the scallion greens and serve immediately. Then egg fried rice is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.